Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp bug where chats are blank or disappear. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp and make sure to update your WhatsApp. Step 1. Contact card trick. So for that, open your WhatsApp, go to any chat and click on the profile icon and scroll down. You can see option called share contact and click that and send it to yourself or one of your friends. So this simple step can force to reload the chats in your WhatsApp. Step 3. Leave WhatsApp beta version and install the stable WhatsApp version. For that, in case if you are installed the beta version, uninstall it. So hold it tight and click the remove. It will uninstall your beta version. Once you're done, go to the App Store, search for a WhatsApp and install the official version. WhatsApp beta versions are mostly unstable, so sometimes can cause this kind of bugs. So better to be in the stable version. Step 4. Reset WhatsApp permission. For that, go to your phone settings. From that, you can see option called apps. Click that and find the WhatsApp here. So it's in the bottom. And once you found it, click the WhatsApp and make sure to give full access for contact and the pictures, especially background app refresh should be enabled. And this can reset the UI state. Step 5. Use WhatsApp web or desktop as a backup. If app is not loading yet, go to web.whatsapp.com or the WhatsApp app on your desktop. And you can access all your chats here. Sometimes it's even reset the phone app once you logged in. And that's it. If video helped, hit the like and drop a comment with the what worked for you. Subscribe for more helpful tutorial like this.